Welcome at New Metro Cinema in Lusaka at the Arcades. My name is Boyd Musunga, popularly known as General. We are here today to witness as we premiere the movie from India, which is the first ever Indian movie to be premiered in New Metro here in Zambia. We are urging all Indian communities and those Zambians to come and support this movie. We are also waiting to hear more and to watch more about Raj Sound Production. What's your name and how was the movie?
Hi, myself Shetty. I'm from Mangalore. The movie was really good. Ashok, the movie, it was really very, very, very nice. We always wait to watch Tulu movies since we are from Mangalore. We love this language. It's our mother tongue. So Ashok, the movie, nanonte movie mastu we look forward to watch more of it. Thank you so much. Mangalore rocks. We love you all.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Zambia history Tulu film first was by the very like the movie. Akna future the endeavor engla mata support mata.
So first time in Africa onji Tulu film release atande oka mekal pura mekla supported Vineeth he did a hard work to get all over the country, so 11 countries it release atande, and first time in Africa at the response everyone liked the movie. This movie was full of entertainment. We enjoyed it. We enjoyed it a lot. So it was really fun. And all the best. All the best. Thank you so much.